What's up everybody, just doing a quick video on fabricating up some hangers for the back of a commercial lawnmower. The lawnmower is used by the local Little League and they need to hang equipment on the back of it to transport it to the field when they're getting ready to groom the field or nail drag the field. I've got a ton of 1-inch tubes still, so I figured I'll volunteer some time and some of the tube that I have and make a set of hangers for the back of that. You know, this gives me the opportunity to help them out and doesn't cost them anything, and I get to make a video. So let's do it. The primary way I cut material is using this Milwaukee Portaband. So I bought this probably 10 years ago. It just takes regular power and it's plug-in, so it's always ready to go. For material, I've got 1-inch square 120 wall material I have on hand from the low-cost build. The nice thing about using the Portaband saw is the kerf width on the blade is pretty thin. So I'm just going to mark these at the exact dimension and I'll split the line, and that's going to be well within the tolerancing for a project like this. The layout here is pretty simple. It's just going to look like that. So brushed off the welds. They're not perfectly smooth. They got reinforcement on them, but that's a polishing wheel, not a cutting disc, and they don't need to be smooth. It's just a rack. It's not gonna, you know, as long as there's no sharp edges for anybody to get their fingers cut on, and they're sealed up so they can't get water in them. That's all they need to be. Anything beyond that would just be a waste of it'd be a waste of time and materials. I believe these need a whole 1 inch down from this member, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna do that work on site with the hand drill.